Good morning, YouTube and my subscribers. All 71 of you had a slight uptick. Yay. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Uh, yeah, boy, 71. Uh, I might actually hit 100 before the end of my first year. We'll see. It is what it is. So, yay. There. Anyway, yeah, I got the number for the gun show. Got to call them today and see if they have any tables left at this one. If not, I need to make sure I get set up on make sure I get set up on a table for the one in October. Yeah, need to take in, get that stuff going. I got so many things to do, and I don't really have time to do half of it. I don't know. Yeah, inflation's getting pretty rough. I'm seeing some of the damage that's causing in things. Our meats, there was a bunch of lost cows here because of that fire earlier this year. A lot of cows lost. And what's even worse is a lot of land that was burnt was feed for cows. So get ready for a spike in beef prices. Because, yeah, well, that and inflation's hitting at the same time, so you're having even all that going on. Anyway, yeah, I was looking at the flights and such. I'm probably going to be grabbing a Southwest airline over to Dallas, because 2 bags fly free, and then go from Dallas Love Field over to a hotel and spend a night there, and then be ready to go the next day to get on a flight over to the Philippines, Seoul, and then from Seoul to Cebu. So, yay. Ended up doing about 1.25 miles this morning, or yesterday morning. Yeah, my afternoon, y'all's evening, or y'all's morning. But Sunday morning, I was out there doing a little walk around and did a little live, and the little phone died off faster than I wanted to admit to. Apparently, it don't hold charge real well. I've heard that iPhones eat batteries real fast. And I need to call and find out what's up with my teeth, my dentures. So I'm gonna try to call them again, this week, this morning, in the morning. Yeah, kind of worried about my friend. She's still at the hospital. Apparently those seizures, yeah, not good. But, yeah, I'll find something out more tomorrow morning. I'll call and talk to her in the morning, too. Told her to call me tonight if she wanted to, but apparently she's already asleep. Most folks like getting to bed early. Sorry. I only drank 1 cup of coffee this morning. Trying to not be strung up on caffeine every 5 seconds. Oh, the little Groomy. So far I like it. Actually does a pretty good job of shaving. And yeah, I did it again this time. I actually did it in the shower and was able to clean it out as I was going, which was good. The little electric razor there. This one doesn't seem to pull my hair, or even on my face, doesn't pull my hair out. This one actually seems to cut it, so yay. Don't think I'm going to have a problem with it causing the little ingrown hairs. So far, at least, I haven't. We'll see. And let's see, what else was there? Oh, a bit. Yeah. I got home, ate my pork chops, my pork steaks, and pretty much went straight to bed. And then, of course, what did I do? I slept from basically, well, it was 10 something, and yeah, heading toward 10:30 when I got home. And by the time I got everything finished and going, ended up having beets and canned corn. And by the time I got everything finished, cooked and everything and eaten, well, basically that's what puts me at 11:30. So by the time I actually went to sleep, it was 12. And of course, I woke up sometime in the middle of that and had to go to the bathroom because I drank too much fluids. And then I got woke up again at 6. Apparently there was a wee bit of music going on, Cinco de Mayo and all that. And even with it being fairly dreary, there's still a bunch of partying going on. So apparently they were having their, party and making a bunch of noise just up the road. Yeah, so I got woke up at about 6. Couldn't go back to sleep. So, yay. And with me getting a 10-hour day, I was already a long one from there, and then only getting about 6 hours of sleep, and only doing 1 cup of coffee. I really want to go curl up and crawl under the counter here and go to sleep. Boy, it is what it is. Had some little gal come here this evening questioning, are we really just living in a computer simulator? I don't know. I told her about the only thing that we really had any, control over was what goes on between these 2 points. And she says, well, you understand then. And yeah, bit of philosophy there. Yeah. I don't know. But yeah, I am definitely ready to go fishing. Whether it's just ones and zeros, I don't know. But if I can catch a big tuna and be happy, what else past that is really necessary? Just saying. Oh yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm kind of on the wiped out and tired side. So I'm going to take and make this one a short one. And hopefully get it out and try to get a little bit more stuff researched, and yeah, watch a couple videos too, I guess. Seem to be a little burned out on today, so quite honestly, I do really would like to crawl under the counter and go to sleep, but apparently they don't want to pay you if you sleep under the counter. Go figure. I mean, I understand there are jobs that pay you to sleep, but apparently a hotel front desk isn't one of them. Yeah. I don't know. Researching for weird stuff while sleeping. Not sure I like that idea either, because they sure seem to want to pump you full of stuff, and you don't know for sure what the stuff is. Just saying. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. Bit of a ramble this morning. And, one more. I wish the cable, the little cable that goes from the C up there to the micro, was about 4 inches longer. That'd really make this a lot easier with my camera set up here. And I know this camera does 5 or 4K. I can't get this little computer to process 4K with it. It doesn't give it. I went through all the settings and such. And yeah. And apparently my little live only went out as standard definition this morning on the, I think that might have had something to do with all the moving around. I don't know. I haven't tried to watch the whole thing. I just gave a few minutes to make sure I actually had audio and went. I hope that where it cut off and came back on, that it still had audio, because I didn't try to double check it. But that is what it is. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I hope the Philippines gets some rain, and that it's not from cloud seeding or cloud shocking. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, we got some rain today, and we dearly needed it. And I got the hiccups. Anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings. I'm William from Williams, Philippines, and well, later blessings. Bye bye. I'm fishing. Fish is out.